Are you ready to embark on a colourful and creative adventure? Introducing the Altenew Stamping Starter Kit Petite, the perfect solution for beginner stampers and aspiring card makers. This thoughtfully created kit will help you dive into the world of stamping without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned crafter, this kit provides everything you'll need to create beautiful, personalised handmade cards and paper crafts that will impress and inspire. The special stamping bundle includes the Sweet Bouquet stamp die and stencil bundle, the Ocean Dreams fresh die ink and mini blending tool, a bundle of ready-to-use A2 card bases, and an exclusive online card making class. It's the perfect set of basic supplies to kickstart your stamping journey and take your crafting to the next level. Start your stamping journey with high-quality, unique and beautiful card making supplies you won't see anywhere else. Add the Stamping Starter Kit Petite to your craft room and craft your life with Altenew.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.